What are you doing?
Hi guys, it's Elise again, and I want to show you how to make one of the cute food. Let me show you the packaging, so if you ever want to buy it, this is what it is. Sideways.
So many treats.
So many treats.
And what are you doing?
My cousin has the same one. She did a lot at her house.
Helps keep your dog healthy at every stage, so you can always look forward.
And can you tell me what you're doing?
I am sewing.
But what pattern are you doing?
I am doing the egg one first. After that, I'm going to do the bacon. If you guys like bacon, you have to tell my dad.
Does Dad like bacon?
Yeah, he loves bacon. He wants me to like try bacon. And I'm like shouting at him because I don't want to try it.
Why?
Because I don't want to try it.
Are you a vegetarian?
No.
And how did
Besides, bacon is not a veggie.
you... No, it's not.
There's a veggie one here.
There is?
Uh-huh.
What
There's a
kind of-
carrot.
Oh. And what are you doing? Are you sewing the egg yolk? Oh, not the egg yolk. The white part of the egg.
Yeah, the white one.
Okay.
You want to make sure it's really good, but you want to make a little pocket to like stuff it.
Okay, that's the stuffing. Oh, does it come with the stuffing?
That's the stuffing.
What else does it come with?
It comes with the stencils because the stencils are easier, so you don't have to like cut out the shape. Like you need to stencil it better, so it's better to like get the shape. So that's why it's better to use stencils.
How did you learn how to sew?
At my new school,
Uh-huh.
it's Montessori, country Montessori.
Yeah. And what grade are you in?
What grade am I in?
You're in pre-kindergarten.
Pre-kindergarten.
And you learn how to sew?
I learned how to kid sew.
Kid sew. What does kid sewing mean?
It means that kids can sew.
Do you use a regular needle?
No, we don't.
Use a kid-friendly needle.
Yeah.
So,
Can you help me out, Mama?
sure. And once you finish this... Oh, that's pretty good, baby girl. Here. Oh, you just... Here we go. There we go. Nice and easy. So once you sew this whole part, then what are you going to do?
I'm going to stuff it.
Uh-huh.
So remember, if you want to make this and you start to sew it, you need to leave a little pocket
Oh, a
to
little
stuff
pocket.
it.
Okay. Let's just show everybody again what it is in case they want to get it. And where did you get this?
I bought it at Target.
No. Barnes
Barnes & Noble.
and Noble. Is that one of your favorite stores, Barnes & Noble?
Yes, because it has really good books.
It has good books. Okay. So show me what... Ooh, you can make Pop-Tarts and watermelon and cookies.
After the egg and bake one, we were gonna make the Pop-Tart.
Oh, okay.
Then we're gonna make the cookie one, pineapple, break, lemon.
And you're off on President's Day, right?
It was already President's Day.
Oh, that's right. Okay. Say bye to everybody. Say thanks for...
No, they still have to keep watching. Yeah.
Okay, we'll show you the finished product.